Oh, what a nice morning. Nice that the sun is out. At least I think it is. Could be fake, but last night rain was so brutal and it got so windy that it was actually blowing the rain through the tent. That's how crazy it was. It's a good thing I had the tent walls staked out, otherwise the tent probably would have collapsed. But you'd see the walls of the tent would come in and water would just come shooting through. Oh, it's crazy. I don't know, you're not going to be able to see in the camera though, but the whole inside wall of the tent is just all moisture. And it was all because MJ wanted to go camping. Let's go camping. It's not going to rain too much. MJ, you're not going to say anything?
Giving you the evil eye.
Oh man, look at that view to wake up to. Absolutely gorgeous. I think we got a couple hours before the rain comes back though. But that looks good. I'm telling you, that wind was just a ripping her last night. The outside of the tent is, besides for some water droplets, isn't too soaked, but I'm telling you, when that wind just started to blow, it just blow the water right through. Beautiful morning. You can see the storm clouds are going to start rolling in, but I want to try to take advantage of this while we can. Ah, 12% left. Almost killed it finally. 2 days. Well, actually 3 days of camping. No charge. I did buy this electric coffee maker, but not feeling the coffee today. You know, I should be. I just want the sun to come out, get some warmth, maybe start evaporating some of this water. So it's about 8:15. We're pretty much all packed up. I just got the tent set up. All the pegs and guide wires are gone. Just trying to hope that it's going to clean up a little bit, but clouds are starting to roll in. So if it starts getting gray, we're gonna fold up the tent. Everything else is packed up and get out of here because, man, the sun's kind of bright, but I know I said this a million times, but that view That view is absolutely breathtaking behind me. Just watching the shadows of the clouds. MJ was pointing out how nice the pattern was. Starting to get cloudy. Time lapse is set up one last time, and I think we're gonna roll out. Four low's nice because you can just crawl down. Need to give her some gas to kind of clean all the tires. So here we are on the side of the road, waiting for a tow truck now. The battery died in the JK on our way back from our trip. It's funny thing is, I heard a whine. I could hear a whine. And I wasn't sure what the whine was, but we started going out on our trip, and turns out the alternator shit the bed. So Vox shut her down, shut her right down. All about the sadness now, waiting for the tow truck driver. The misery continues. Should name this Jeep shit show. There she goes onto the flat deck. This is where the sadness begins. I start with some beer and pepperoni sticks. Try to figure out what exactly went wrong. The alternator just reeked. Had some howling noises coming from it. That's probably what killed it in that rainstorm last night. Probably didn't help matters much with that
poison louver hood probably just dumped tons of rain onto the alternator. But the auxiliary battery has 100% power. The main battery doesn't. I'm gonna see if I can throw a charge on it. Yeah, looking like that battery is definitely shorted out. All right, well, I already got the issue sorted out, not fixed, but I know what happened, what went down, how costly, painfully expensive it's gonna be to fix, but seems to be my life with this unit, I'm telling you right now. Anyways, motherfucking beer time. We'll get out of the sun, just the white balance. I want to know in the comments below, if you made it this far, what you guys think the issue is, and we're gonna discuss that in the next video. I'll see you guys later. I think I'm gonna name this Jeep Shit Show.